welcome back to Modern Retro Gal. My name's JL in case you're new to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I do this short hair, curly, vintage inspired, retro, vintage curls inspired hair. 8 months ago I had very long hair. It was way down here, and in a low depression place I decided that I needed to chop it all off. So I cut it into a pixie, which was actually cut much shorter than what I had originally planned, and that sort of made my depression even worse because it was not the haircut that I wanted. And yes, it looked cute and everyone loved it, but I didn't, and I didn't feel good the minute I walked out of the salon. I just knew I had made a huge mistake, so I have been now growing it back out. I am finally exiting the mullet phase. I was able to have it kind of trimmed up around my hairline. The sides are like just below my ears when it's straight. It's very uneven right now. I need to go in and have it properly cut. My mom's just been helping me like trim up the back up so that it doesn't look too much like a mullet. So I really need to go in and have a proper haircut done just to even everything out so that it's just even and it's not all over the place. But I've been really happy because in the last like few weeks I have been able to curl and actually have like a vintage looking hairstyle again. So I'm really stoked about that. So if you are curious to see how I got this, just keep watching. All right, so we are ready to take the curls out now and brush them out. To do my curls, I did standing pin curls. I used this Conair 3/4 inch curling iron. My brain's not working so hot today. Curling iron to curl my hair. So I'm going to take my little scarfy scarf down so you'll be able to see. So I did, oops, I kind of smushed this one. That's okay. I did 3 on this side and then 2 on this side, 2 with my bangs, and then I went down as far as I could in the back with some curls, and then I just curled under where I wouldn't be able to clip it in anymore. So let's just start taking out the pins, the pin curl clips. And to prep my hair, I just actually used this Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Dry Shampoo. I really like this for fine hair because it does have a texturizer in it, in addition to it being a dry shampoo. And I've actually found that, and I've seen this recommended, instead of doing hairspray, to use dry shampoo, because when you're setting your hair, because it will help it hold better and it won't be crunchy. And I have found that this one's going to be stuck, that it works a little bit better. So that's all I used to prep my hair, and I just really sprayed it in and kind of worked it up, and then started taking sections. And it smells like toasted coconut, which you had me at coconut, Not Your Mother's. So let's pull all of these out so I don't get, oh, I think I filled another one. Yep, there's another one. I only end up using 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I only end up using 12 pin curl clips because my hair is still quite short and it's very fine. So this is the curl that I get, so not bad. I wouldn't go any bigger with how long my hair is than a 3/4 inch curling iron. You just won't get enough curl out of it. So as you can see, even with my kind of funky, uneven haircut, this is really like this is like perfect for that shorter vintage look. So I'm just gonna kind of brush and smooth some things out. Kind of, I like to tuck the one side behind the ear. I'm not brushing into the curls too much. Just because I don't really feel like when it's this short, it really needs it that much. There's not a whole lot to kind of harness when your hair is this short. So I feel like it's very, you know, like Ava Gardner, Liz Taylor, when Marilyn Monroe had her hair really short. And I can't say. I'm sorry it's so dark, but it's raining out today. But because I've got that this texturizing dry shampoo in, it really helps to keep like the volume in there. And then I'm gonna just take like a small teasing brush to work on my bangs. I find that the less I sort of mess with it, the better. The more it sort of stays and the curl stays with fine hair and with short hair. If you do a heat set. I have not tried this with a sponge roller set yet, which that's probably what I'll be doing for Viva, just because I think it'll last, well, I know it'll last longer. So I just kind of did a little bit of back combing. Oh man, I am so blind without glasses, y'all. But they make such a glare. I'm moving some stuff around so I can pull my, oh, that's what I look like. Okay. Pull my mirror closer. So I'm just kind of arranging things the way I want them, making sure everybody's nice and smooth. And I probably kind of ended up curling or brushing this side a little bit more than I should have, but that's okay. Okay, so now I'm just gonna spray. I can't wait for Viva so I can get my favorite hairspray from Suavecita, and I can get the grooming spray too. There we go. There we go. There we go. So I am liking the way things are over here. And I don't do a really like smooth curl because again, my hair is too short for that and it just won't really look curly at all. So I kind of keep all of that curl in there for volume and all that kind of stuff. And I need to take a look at the back. Hopefully. I have such short arms. Okay, I think the back is going to be okay to show you. So this is what the back will end up looking like. So hopefully that's looking all right back there. And I'll just give everything a nice spritz and voila. It's really not that hard. So if you have short hair and you've been wanting to do like vintage or retro inspired curls, don't be scared of it. You really don't have to have anything special. You just need, like I said, 3/4 inch curling iron, some pin curl clips. I use a diamond brush, but really I've done this even just with my teasing brush, smoothing everything out with just this brush. So that's all you need. So that's it for me for today. Just a quick little video to pop in and say hello and show you how I am styling this hairs of mine now that the mullet phase of my pixie cut is finally on the out. So that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to give this a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you are new to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so that you will always be notified when I upload. I can't wait to get back from Viva and tell you all about it. So that is it for me for today, and yeah, bye-bye.